comes. Get this stupid thing in the way. Okay. Last word. All right, I'll send it a fraction slower. That was a bit quick. Here comes from the top of the list again. Next word. Next word. Next word. Next word. Second last word. Last word. Okay, that was room, stoop, Morse, code, pen, pencil, rubber. And then lastly, before we close and go and socialize, we can do one more lot of call signs, foreign call signs. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foreign call signs and 2 words, and then we can decide what to do as a group. All right, here it comes. Okay, foreign call sign number 1. Here it comes. I'll send it again. Next call sign. I'll send it again. Next foreign call sign. I'll send it again. Listen to the feedback. So there's some feedback. Can you hear my radio here? Okay, I'll send that same call sign again. Next call sign. Again. All right, so those are done with the call signs. And now here are two things which are not call signs. Send it again. And then the last word. All right, they were from the. All right, sure. Next one was Echo 43 Mike Oscar. Echo 43. 43. Yeah, Mike Oscar. Next one was November 5 Whiskey. You got that, Cliff? Yeah. Cliff's happy. All right, the next one was November 9 Yankee Oscar. Next one is Oscar Yankee 9 November. And the last two are email, the word email, address. Right. So now we can faff around. Anybody wants more practice, we can do a little bit later.
Vet.
Yeah, lekker. Thanks, man.
We just put salt on the salt in the.
Oh, that's awesome. Thanks, Ronald.
See that? Working with Andy, I haven't fallen too far behind. I was getting worried I was getting out of step with the rest of the guys. But yeah, it's coming together.
How often do you meet with Andy?
Normally I'm from 7 till 30:30 every night in the week.
You met him, eh?
No, I've known him for years.
I will send it again. I'll send it again. I'll send it again now that you know what they are. And listen how tricky the H sneaks into the 5s. Here it goes. Are you following? Are you ticking as I'm going along? Okay, here comes the last row. There we go. Did you notice? Did you guys identify where the H came in when I was resending it? Yeah.